Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing Honor Pad X8a. This is actually a new tablet from Honor. So it comes with flip cover for free and a tablet, 11.5 inches tablet. It has 8300 mAh battery, 680 processor, Snapdragon 680 processor. It's a quite old processor, but it's enough for the tablet. And it has the 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. It has Wi-Fi plus 4G calling, so you can put a 4G SIM and make calls in case of emergency. But I would recommend use this tablet for everywhere with you, like replacing the actual phone, because the screen is so huge you cannot handle it. So if you are running a business where it needs internet and you do not have Wi-Fi, so you putting a SIM and use it for internet, then that's a good idea. So here I have unboxed it. This is the tablet itself. As I said, it's a very huge screen, 11.3 inches screen, and here's the camera. Camera is not that much. Impressive or anything, but it does the job. For tablet it's good. If you want to attend any Zoom meetings, then it's quite sufficient. So it has, as I said, it has 8300 mAh of battery. Company claims that you will get 14 hours of screen on time. It has 4 speakers, so bottom you have 2 speakers and on top you have 2 speakers. And it has SIM ejector tool. It comes with the flip cover. One downside is that it just comes with the charging cable. It won't come with the charger. I was actually expecting that it would come with a charger. I don't know why so many companies are ditching the charging nowadays. Even the Apple iPad gives a charger for their tablets, but I don't know why Honor has not given it. So if you really looking for charger, then I would recommend you to buy a Realme pad that has like that has like Helio G19 processor. It comes with a 33-watt charging, and it is only Wi-Fi calling. So it doesn't have the 4G connectivity or anything. So it is 12,000 rupees, and if you want the 4G calling also, then it's kind of 16,000. If you want a tablet less than 10,000, then I would recommend this tablet only. The features of this tablet is good. I don't have any problem. I actually bought it for my dad. He wants to read newspaper on this, and he wants to read other PDFs and everything. So for him it's quite sufficient. Yeah. I actually forgot to show you the flip cover only. Let me open the flip cover for this. It is actually it will actually stand. It has a stand inbuilt, so you can place it somewhere on your table and you can read whatever you want. So it's a really nice quality flip cover. I think they compromised giving charger for this flip cover, I think, because a charger cost 1k and this flip cover almost costs 1k. So I think they did not give charger for this thing, but it's okay. It's a nice thing that they have given the flip cover, because it's really hard to find the flip covers for the newer tablets. It's not as easy as mobiles, right? Tablets flip covers will be kind of rare. The case for the tablets will be rare. So I think it's fitting perfectly. Nice, perfect. It has the magnetic casing. Yeah, magnetic casing is there. Now I think you can how to actually use this. Okay, now you can do this. Now you can actually read like this on the table. Okay, I will set this tablet and come back to you guys. As I said, the weight of the tablet is 495 grams, almost 500 grams, or even more than that, because I haven't included the flip cover. So it's more than half a kg. And the battery is like 8300 mAh. Company claims that it will give 14 hours of screen on time if you use correctly. That means if you do not game or anything. I wouldn't suggest this for gaming. I would suggest this for YouTube or online classes, attend the Zoom meetings, or watch Netflix, something like that. And it's really good tablet for parents and even kids, or even for yourself if you are using this for the light task. If you want a really good display, a really good wide screen, then you can buy this for yourself. Let's come to the RAM. The RAM is 4 GB, but it has the extended RAM option. I would say it's kind of gimmick. That extended RAM is always a gimmick, even on smartphone. I wouldn't recommend you to extend your RAM, because it will take from your storage only. That 4 GB will come from your 128 GB, right? So 107 was your usable storage. If you take 4 GB, then it will be 103 GB. I wouldn't recommend you to sacrifice your 4 GB from your actual storage and put it into RAM. RAM should be actually faster than the storage. So I really don't think it will serve the justice for the RAM. So let it be 4 GB, then nothing will happen. 4 GB is quite enough for the most of the tasks. I have installed the Adobe Acrobat Reader, and let's install other things also. And I think, yeah, the display experience is really good. It has 90 Hertz display, and let's watch some of the videos. I'll try to play one video. Copyright free songs. Okay, I was tapping this for clearing, sorry. Copyright free music. Let's see how's the volume is. I clicked on the
international flights starting rupees 599 on clear-train. Sale is now live.
I wouldn't complain. Okay, I wouldn't complain about the speakers. It has 4 speakers actually. 4 speakers are there, bottom 2 and or top 2. It has the Type C connector, sorry, Type C charging, and it has the SIM ejector is there. SIM ejector place is there. You can add 4G SIM. It's not a 5G tablet, by the way. You can add 4G SIM. So let's open the camera also. Camera is okay. I mean, for tablets, it's okay. It serves the purpose. It's not great or it's not too bad. It's quite good. Zoom meetings should perfectly work fine with this. So this is the app drawer, how it looks. That's it, guys. The bottom line is it's really good tablet for kids, parents, or even for yourself for watching the content on Netflix, Amazon Prime, or YouTube. The display is 90 Hertz display, LCD display. It has full HD 1080p display, so it's a really good. See, this is how the display is. Yeah, it supports up to 1080p. Really good display. That's it about the tablet. If you have any particular questions, ask me in the comments. I will make another video about this. So that's it for now. Yeah, on the Amazon Great Indian Sale, it is available for 10,000 rupees. I would say it's a really good deal for that price. All the Google apps will work on this. Maps, Google Chrome, YouTube, everything. and I have given the links in the description. Use the link I have provided. It's an affiliated link which will not cost you anything. I'll just get some small commission out of it if you buy. So this is the map experience. This is really good, man. That's it. Let's meet you in the next video. If you have any doubts, tell me in the comment section. I will try to answer all of them and make a video about it.